Now preparing the result. Here the total marks available, average available, maximum level, minimum. Now after that the result it is the in form of the pass and fail. So I have to put here the condition, what is the maximum marks for the pass and the fail. So criteria, put the criteria. I am using this average marks. Okay, so I am putting the condition for the average marks. See here how to use the formula. Equal to, if open bracket and choose this bracket, and here put the equal to and greater than 85. I'm putting here the 85. After that colon, double quotes, write here the message, any message what you want. I here write pass and also the comma, then again the put here the fail fail message. Okay, and close the bracket. See, if this condition is true, then this message will appear, and false, then fail. So any student has the average marks is greater than or equal to 85, then pass, otherwise fail. See here, so this student has the 89 average, so pass. And also same, drag here and see the which one pass and fail. Pass, pass, pass. Here see the fail, because the condition is 85, it got the 80. Here the fail 81, 78, here the 81. So we can change it here for the criteria. So this is giving the result pass or fail. Thanks.